What's good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Keep in mind, guys, I'm not a professional, but I do know how to keep my car clean for the most part. So if you see something, do not flame me, bro. That's just how I wash my car. It's quick. It's nothing too crazy. Like, I'm not going into full detail. It's a nice day today. The sun is gone now, but it's nice out, so I want to, you know, take advantage of it and wash the car. So guys, do not make fun of my hose, bro. Your boy's on a budget. I'm about to show you right now. Hold on. I had a better hose, but my mom took it and sent that shit to DR, bro. I need to put my keys down because it's gonna keep locking and unlocking the car. This water is so cold, I ain't even gonna lie to you though. All right, I think it's good. I gotta wash the rims first. All right, bro, I'll see you around, all right? Damn, this water is cold. That's it for now. So I pretty much spray this on, leave it for a few. This shit be stinking though, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So what I do, I put this on and it turns like purple. So it's pretty much like getting rid of all that stuff. And then I just kind of let it sit with that for a few. Wow, it's been a while since I cleaned this car. This little spray is like $16, bro. And after 2 washes, that's it. It does work though, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, it's getting purple, which is meaning it's like kind of getting rid of it. The more dirty it is, the more purple it'll get. This one I think was the dirtiest one, bro. All right, I think it's good. So once that sits for a few, I'll go ahead and wash it, and then we start the process. I got my soap and water ready to go. As you guys can see, look at how purple this one is compared to my front one. This one is not too bad, but if I go back here, that one is so dirty. Wow, I'm getting so wet right now. I actually washed my car with Crocs on, but I don't got Crocs on right now. Bro, having this whole shit is annoying. Hey, you gotta do what we gotta do. I like to start with the top of the car and work my way down. That way anything like on the bottom that's more dirty doesn't get on the top of the car. I like to work in like a back and forth kind of motion. I don't like going in circles because that's how you get like the twirls. I don't want that in the car, so I just work my way back and forth. I work on one side and then I go on the other side. And yeah, folks, I don't have a foam cannon. I had one, but I don't have it anymore. It broke, and so this is how I do it now for now. I want to get a pressure washer so I can do this a lot easier, but I haven't gotten it yet. I don't like doing the hood of the car until like the end, really. I'll do the top and then I'll do like the trunk area, then the side, and then the front. A lot of people do the rims first, but I don't know, I just don't. Remember guys, I'm not a professional. I'll tell you what, I do know how to keep my car clean though. We'll go on this side. If I would have done this earlier during the day today, at like noon, 11, that's when the sun was wailing. Like, it was so nice out. Probably would have been a perfect time for washing the car, but it's okay. I mean, it's not too cold. It is colder now, but it's still like not terrible, you feel me? One of my hands is getting colder. Can't wait for the summer, bro. Let's go ahead and make our way down now. We're gonna do the trunk. Yo, washing your car, it's tiring, bro. Hey, Mr. George, how much you pay for this guy? $20? No, too much. Too much money. I think that's pretty good for the back. Okay, the back is done. We can go ahead and start on the sides now. I think this side is pretty good. This is so tiring, what the hell? Especially when it's cold. Like, my hands is cold right now, but it's okay, I'm almost done. I'm almost done scrubbing and scrubbing away. The last place we gotta hit, the front. Damn, my shoes are so wet, bro. I know I should've worn Crocs. What I'll do now is I rinse the car, and then if I see any like dirty spots that I missed, then I go over it again. But I'm pretty sure I did a good job. So this is obviously much lower because I don't got a pressure washer, but you know, it still works, bro. You don't need all those fancy things, bro, to wash your car nicely. Simple things you probably got around the crib. You can definitely wash your car. Go buy some soap and yeah, you'll be good. You'll be good to go. Should I get as much of the soap off so we can see if we miss anything? Oh my God, that water's cold. Holy shoot. All right, guys, well, I think that's enough water. I'll go ahead and turn this off. So what I do now with the rest of the soap is I use this to just kind of go over the rims a little bit more. Pretty much the car is done. I'm just gonna do this with the rims and get to drying, and then we should see what the final result looks like. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. It's a process, but you gotta love it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it. That way the soap doesn't like dry on it. This will be a lot easier with a pressure washer, but your boy don't got that. That way I don't gotta keep going back and forth. That looks a lot better. I'm not going crazy like detailed on this stuff, guys, but that's because it is freaking cold now. The water is freezing, but I just wanna make it a little clean as I can and then go from there. So wow, this rim is dirty, bro. In the summer, I wash my car a lot more. It'd be hot, you know, but in the winter, bro, I barely be washing it. I'm just trying to take advantage of today because it's okay. Wow, that's so dirty. Holy moly. So dirty, dirty, dirty. You know, this is not gonna be perfect, but it will be a lot better than what it was, which is what I'm going for, really. If I wanted it to be perfect, I probably would have took off the rims and did it like that, but I just want it to be somewhat clean, that's all. Pretty good compared to what it was. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Go on, do the next rims. You ever get to a point where it's so cold that you're not cold anymore? Because that's pretty much where I'm at right now. I see why people pay other people to do this, because this is not easy, y'all. I mean, it's easy, it's just time consuming. Very, very much so. It takes a lot of patience. Patience and time, bro. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be it. Get to that last rim and call it a day, boys. What's up with this water, bro? He's spitting at me right now. It's not perfect, but it's okay, you know? I need to take this car to like a rim detailer, bro. Just detail my rims, that's it. Literally, the best way to clean your rims is like just take them off, bro. I feel like it's way easier and you will just do a better job. Or the annoying part is just taking the rim off. Once you got it off, cleaning the rim is easy. When it's installed like it is now, it's just so much work. We still gotta dry this baby. That's the only thing I don't like. When I go to like a car wash or something where they do it by hand, they don't really focus on the rims that much. They just kind of do the outside, but like where the real dirtiness is inside of it. I'm tired, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty clean already. And this water is just so dark. Holy. That's all she wrote. Okay, guys, so what I like to do now is I like grabbing like a quick wax while it still got water on it. I don't like doing it when it's dry. Let's go ahead and finish that because it is getting cold. My hands I can't even feel them anymore. They're pretty red. I just like putting it kind of all over the car while it's still wet, and then when I dry it, then I just, you know, dry everything. This gives it like that shine, you know. Now I like to use 2 microfiber towels. That way it's faster. I'm winded right now. I don't know why. Oh yeah, it's looking nice. I pretty much dry it the same way I wash it, from top to bottom. Half here, and then half on the other side. That way we go. We know we don't miss a spot. Woohoo! What if I double them? Double the towels. Actually, never mind. That's not as good. How I had it was working. I know there's probably people like driving by and they're just like, what is this guy doing? It's so cold for this. Or maybe they're like, oh wow, I wish he could wash my car. Yeah, I'll wash your car if you pay me. Nice, nice, nice. So I just gotta do the bottoms and the front. I might just use 1 towel. That way I can kind of get to it better. Yeah, imagine I'm just finishing like cleaning the car or like drying the car, and a bird comes and like takes the shit out my car. I'm gonna be tight. And that's how she wrote, folks. Yeah, I need to wrap this car, bro. We got a couple rock chips in the front that are kind of annoying, but other than that, I think the car's pretty dry now. Just gonna go in around the cars to see if I missed any spots, but I don't think I did. I'm a professional, man. The last thing I like to do, I like to use the tire shine to kind of just go over the tires. Go ahead and add some here. Make the tires look nice and shiny, like they were washed. Going over the tires. Gives it that shine, that looking nice thing. I gotta go too crazy, but I just kind of like going over it to dry it up a little bit. Makes it look a lot better. So I'll do that to all of the tires, and then yeah. This one's a little bit more annoying because it kind of hides up there because of the way it's like on my driveway, but you can still kind of do it. Just kind of throw it in an angle up there. Dirty as hell, boy. All right, that's pretty good. Alright you guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys are new to the channel and you liked what you saw, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys want to see how I detailed inside of my car, let me know in the comment section below so I can make that video for you guys. Subscribe if you guys are new, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.